Morrison Heights Baptist Church held their annual Fall Harvest Fest for those in the community to come and enjoy a night of fun and games. Event goers Kaisha Green and Mackenzie Cameron share what brought them out to the event.
Well, I have to say, now that I have a little one, my favorite thing about Halloween is trick-or-treating with him.
I came out tonight to enjoy all of this family, food, and fun. And of course, because he wants candy.
From games, food trucks, and a petting zoo, there were plenty of activities for kids to have a great time. Community members Abby Granberry and Casey Stevens share what they like about this event.
Just kind of getting to see that everybody came out and was having a good time and just kind of getting to fellowship here.
This is where we go to church, so we always come to this every year. It's fun for the kids, lots of games, and a fun environment to have a good time with the community.
A great and fun event for the family to enjoy. Jacobus Roby, WHUC, News 7.